This is not your average cat.
Bro, you better back up.
I guess the floor was a little wet.
Did you just curse me?
I got 5 on the cat.
Bro, chill. It ain't even like that.
When you can't stand oranges.
When they get
You're
that look,
scaring me.
time to run.
Chudo, what are you doing?
Chillin'. F around. You'll find out.
When they start to figure it all out.
Hold up. Wait a minute. I got this. This cat got a little too curious. Damn, was that you? Oh my god. Lord, pray for me. He just hit the reset button.
Leave me alone.
Oh shit! What's that? Hello, human. Come and get it. Never point your finger at a cat. Or give them the bird.
Quit it. You're driving me nuts.
Unless you're trying to make them upset.
Get off me. Go.
They will be highly offended.
Stop.
And extremely defiant. And might just attack you. So this is your one and only warning.
Don't do that.
Because they won't forget. And they know where you sleep at night.
Drop that motherfucker.
I heard my baby crying for help. Stop it.
Some heroes don't wear capes. This goat was snatched up by a donkey, and this is what happened.
Put the goat down! Drop the goat!
Thank you.
Oh my gosh. What
Betty won't come near me
is
again.
wrong with you?
Help! Help! Don't leave me alone! Help! What? We were playing a game.
I know.
He's my
You have
friend.
new friends, but they don't want to play with you like that.
These two goats got their horns stuck together.
So cows love melon. This is honeydew. If it's just not for you, back up. Here, baby. They always want to leave you out. I know. There you go, sexy.
Рот-то закрой.
This cat tried to make friends with a fish. When they're both in sync.
Hey, what is this? What the fuck?
Ya, saben ya, no mabis your bum.
Hey, what are you doing? Hey, give that back. That's mine. Hey, what are you doing? Respect my privacy. Can I come out now?
No, get back in there.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.